Okay, now Twitch is doing amazing and he needs a home. Took him couple weeks about to warm up, and now he is the sweetest cat. Can you hear him purring? He is a bunny. Laying on your toys. Let's find your toys. Right there's one. Give me that ball. I had to move his food up there because he's so playful. He kept knocking it over. He's awesome. Make a good family member. Definitely come check him out. And then Coco. Coco's doing better. She's going to be a lot more laid back. A lap cat, companion cat, whereas he's going to be wanting to play and... Hi, Coco. Did you eat some of your food? All right. Come on. Come on. You know. Come out of the litter box so everybody can see how pretty you are. Come here. Come on, Coco. Come on. She had the cutest collar on. Took it off. It was a little snug. Come on. You gonna make me come over and get you? I can do that. Hi, honey. She's purring also. You can hear her. Coco, kitty, kitty, kitty. You're a big girl. I wish you'd come out and show everybody how beautiful you are. All they have to reference is your grumpy cat picture. Come here. Coco. I don't know if she's gonna come out. She came out earlier, but come on. Coco, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Come out here. Come on. Yeah, she's not. She just wants to hang out in there. So, two awesome cats, two very different cats. Come check them out.